Hey everybody, welcome to the Garden of Enders. We today are going to be putting up some shade cloth. The tomato plants are dropping their blooms. It's just been so hot. The next couple days are going to be riddled with it. Today we got lucky. It was supposed to be like 90 degrees. It's overcast. It started out very hot this morning and the clouds kind of rolled in. There's a real bad storm front underneath of us, but not coming at us. So it's actually the perfect time to go ahead. I got this shade cloth overnighted to us. And so we're going to go ahead and get this put up. We're going to be using some braided cord and of course the shade cloth. It's a 70% shade cloth. What we're going to do is we're going to put it up over the center part of our garden. So that way it limits the sun directly onto the plants for the first part, because the sun is going to come up on this side and it's going to work its way over our garden. And so with the tomato plants continuing to grow, it makes it really hard to put, I mean, these guys are already probably 7 feet tall, some of them. It makes it really hard to put a shade cloth 7 feet up in the air. Especially with everything. So the best way we found is we're going to do it over it. It's going to cover almost to the top of the tomato plants, but over the center of the garden. We're going to be attaching it to the top, I don't know if you can see here, to the top of the pergola point there for the back side, and we'll attach it to the stakes of the tomatoes on this side. On the back side over here, we're going to attach it to the same pergola. Our garden is symmetrical, so for those of you that know, so that pergola is also on this side. So that's what you're going to see me do now. I've attached this braid cord, and all I've done is just kind of put a little knot on it, and I'm stringing this through, and that will create a loop that will attach. Then I'll be able to put the cord through the grommets in the shade cloth, tighten it down to the desired tightness I want, and then of course make those knots in the cord to hold it. Thank you, buddy. I'm getting major help with the rest. Papa. Oh, thank you. Getting major help here from our little guy as always. Then what we'll do is we're going to be putting in, I got some some treated 1x1s that we'll be putting in kind of in the center here, that'll go straight up, and we will attach those to the shade cloth. That's the goal. So that's what we got going on, and stay tuned. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Garden of Enders. We're happy to have you guys here. Yesterday we were filming and the camera filled up with storage. Our memory card was full and I didn't have another. So we were in a quick panic to try and get it downloaded, and unfortunately we ran out of time, and I wanted to get the shade cloth up. So you saw the beginning parts of it. Today you'll get to see the ending and how it all came to. As you can see here, I'm sure by the weird shadows on me, we're underneath of the shade cloth. I think it's going to be awesome. I think it's going to be exactly what we were hoping for. It's going to drop the temperature down in here and allow these plants to get some of their blossoms back, and so that way those blossoms don't fall off, and then we can of course continue to get just as many tomatoes as what we have on there now. So that's all for the shade cloth. project. We've got it all complete. We've put a link in the description below in case you're curious as to which shade cloth we used and what percentage it was. So please like and subscribe our videos. Thank you guys so much for watching along. Hit that bell so you get notifications each and every time we upload a video. And until next time, take care.